Today I'm going to show you how to apply a centred zip. First I need to just measure how long the zip is and mark the end of the zip. I'm then going to sew down the end of the centre back or seam in the normal size stitch, and the opening where the zip will be placed I'll stitch in a temporary stitch, which I use a number 5. Turn it down to number 5 and continue along that row to the top. This holds the fabric in place when you're inserting the zip. Don't go forwards and backwards at the beginning and end of this row. Remember to turn your needle back, stitch back to 2.5 length. Now I'm going to press this open and place the right side of my zip on to the pressed seam, lining up the teeth with the seam that we've just stitched temporarily. That needs to be pinned and tacked through the zip, the seam allowance and the fabric. So 3 layers, and you'll see the tacking row on the other side. This I've already done, and we have this here. The zip is tacked through the 3 layers into place. Now you're going to stitch on the right side, down one side, along and back up this side, evenly, equal distance from the seam that you've just stitched on both sides. So I need to change to a number 4 for the Bernina, number 4 standard zipper foot, and I need to move my needle to the right. Now you have to be careful at the top, because you have the top of your zip which can sometimes push you off to one side. Stop with the needle in the fabric to anchor it and turn. I like to go backwards and forwards just to secure the end of the zip off. And now down the other side at an equal distance from the seam. Being careful at the top again that the tab does not push you out of line. You then need to remove the basting stitch and and check your zip. Little press and remove your tacking, and there you have your zip.